What's good, YouTube? This your boy Marvelous Marv, back at it again with another video. This one's gonna be a little different from my usual videos. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make some vegan fried rice, guys. So basically, guys, this is a plant-based regime that I'm on right now, and I'm really digging it. It's pretty cool. And this meal right here is packed with protein, packed with fiber, packed with carbs, and it's a great post-workout meal, great lunch, and it's just really tasty, guys. So basically, I'm gonna show you guys all the ingredients. I'm gonna whip it up, put it together. I'm gonna show you guys basically what I eat after workouts, dinner, and basically for like lunch. So ingredients right here to the vegan fried rice. Basically, I got some brown rice here. I had a little, some brown jasmine rice here. I had a little bit extra jasmine white rice that I went ahead and mixed in with that, just so I can finish off that package. So I actually pre-made this rice earlier, boiled it, and I put it in the fridge. One key tip, when you're making fried rice, it's good to refrigerate your rice first for about a day or so, and then like prepare your fried rice the next day. And then also have this plant-based, it's like a sausage. Basically, it's there's no soy in it, but it's just like plant-based, basically spicy sausage here. And then also have some what are these? Bell sprouts, Brussels sprouts. And then I got some onions and some red peppers right here. Also, I use oil. I don't know, a lot of vegans don't, or plant-based people don't use oil, but I put some sesame seed in there just to make it a little more authentic. And I also throw some olive oil in that thing. So I'm gonna get this all whipped up. Go ahead and get this rice fried up in the pan. Saute all these veggies, including this meat right here, or fake meat. And yeah, gonna whip it up. What I'm gonna do is, for the rice, you wanna put your oil in the pan, because you're gonna fry the rice. That's why it's called fried rice. And then you're gonna get your rice right here, boom. Spoon. And then you're gonna go ahead and get the rice in the skillet. You guys see I put some olive oil in that before I put the rice in there, just so to fry it up nice and right. Guys, this meal is so clutch, and the thing is, like, you can eat it with other vegetables too. Like, so for example, tonight I'm gonna have some green beans and some kale, which I sauteed the other night or yesterday afternoon. And then also, it's like you can make so much serving sizes with this, guys. I probably get like 4 serving sizes out of this rice right here, which is basically like maybe like a cup and 2 cups. I put like probably 2 cups of rice pre-cooked in there. So yeah, I'm trying to get some of this rice in here so it can start frying. Oh, and I'm gonna put some soy sauce in this too, guys, because you know it's fried rice, and I like soy sauce in my fried rice personally. One thing I forgot to do is cut up green onions, so I gotta go do. I'll leave that rice chilling. Let's see if I have. Show you guys my fridge. Very green indeed. Do I have green onions? Please. Might be out of green onions tonight. Oh, dropping grapefruit. Uh-oh. Think I got some back there. Found a little bit. That'll do. And I'm gonna put some of this garlic in there too. It's minced garlic. So I'm gonna cut this green onion up right here, and yeah, we'll get back to you guys. While the rice is nice and fried up over there, is I'm gonna saute these vegetables. So I'll put some olive oil in that pan too, a little bit before I enter these vegetables into the pan. So get that going. Oh. I'm gonna saute these up real quick, get these nice and colorful and delicious looking. My rice is looking really nice. It's getting nice and crispy. So I'm gonna let these cook up for a little bit. So now we got our veggies all looking all sauteed and nice and good and delicious and whatnot, what have you. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these in the bowl. And then I actually had to make 2 pans. My pots are not large enough, so I had to make 2 pans of frying the rice sets. So basically what I'm going to do, since this is so many veggies to the rice right here, I don't want to have unequal portions of veggies to rice. So I'm basically going to use like half of this in here and then half of this and with this one right here, so I can just have a whole bunch of servings of this delicious veggie fried rice. So I went ahead and plated it, guys, along with this green beans and kale that I made yesterday. And it's looking really good, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and go and dig in real quick, feast up a little bit. And these vegan sausages really add flavor, like the spicy flavor. Yeah, guys, this is it. This is my vegan fried rice, plant-based fried rice, whatever you want to call it. If you guys like this video, comment, rate, subscribe. And if you would like to see more videos like this, leave a comment down below. Thank you guys. Keep getting them gains. Have a great night.